All right, we made it. What are you doing?
Pennsylvania roads.
These roads have been wild. We don't even need to go to Hershey Park. Hop in the Cybertruck, right? These roads have been crazy.
Well, you're going up and down instead of like...
Hey, nothing I can do about the roads. Imagine trying to accidentally take this way in your RV and you don't read all the signs that are warning, warning. Look at this little road. That's a one lane. Look, you're going past somebody's shed.
It's a keeping room.
Oh my goodness. That'd be a bad day. It's beautiful though. We have quite the journey today. Molly has planned this huge map of where we're going today. I will post it right here so you guys can look at our little journey.
And I think I'm gonna add a few things because we're really close to New Jersey, so might as well like go across the border to check off New Jersey to maybe find something to do.
Let's do it. And the funny thing is here in PA, you don't even have to worry about range because you're literally going up, then you're going down, and you're literally regenning the entire time. And that is so funny. So we get to where we're going and we have more range than we started with.
Did you see all of his Junior Ranger badges?
Dude, oh man, repping the Gen Y today. Hey, now that right there, I love it. You're within brand today. I got the whole clan. Time to go explore. Dude, seriously, you look official. I thought you worked here for a second. We got the workbooks going on.
They do. Willow found a maze that she wants to do.
That's amazing. They say that Johnny Appleseed used to live here.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you know who Johnny Appleseed is?
Yeah, Johnny Appleseed.
He has apple seeds.
Yep.
He scatters them everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
So they said they have a demonstration and there's a bunch of different apples where you can go and harvest them that are over in that direction. We're gonna go see them and you can get like a whole entire bucket of apples.
Wow. Super, super old. Beautiful pieces in here. What'd you find?
She found this piece here.
You spotted the difference?
She spotted the difference in that one. Air forced into an equalizing box between the tubes was directed through a blast pipe that led to the furnace. There's blast bellows. It's like a fan that comes in here and brings fan to the heat. This is like a chimney, so a furnace that could be able to get really, really hot.
We should probably keep the fire going too.
Yeah.
Very cool. This is still running today.
This was a blacksmith shop, and so they created the metals that it was a big part of their community and their company's success to have a blacksmith.
Dating back to 1775, the blacksmith shop is one of the oldest structures in the village. It's a little pony.
Welcome to the furnace.
Wow.
Does this look like Pompeii?
Let's see what we got.
It's kind of like, okay, so maybe like Maze Runner, like
That's what I was just thinking, like Maze Runner, yeah.
with all the spider webs.
Super awesome. Charcoal pit.
So it'd go up and it'd just be on the inside where it'd stay hot for all the charcoal.
I'm not gonna lie. Could you imagine what an apple pie tastes like back in the day? On a warm fire? Stove right here?
All right, Jackson, what'd you get? This Junior Ranger. Nice.
Super cool. Willow, congrats. Hopewell checked off. Where are we gonna put this one at? Lily, you wanna do the honors? All right, Molly's got this big plan today.
Food.
Yes.
Don't wait for that.
That's my favorite subject. Thank you, sir. See that professional shot, okay? Molly is like a guru when it comes to food photography. I mean, that's professional, yeah, I would say.
We are at the First State National Historic Park in Delaware.
The very first. How
Delaware
exciting.
Is the first state of the United States of America.
Wow, I can smell the history. Dude, you're about to collect some badges today, man.
Yeah.
I didn't close the door on you? You ever pulling the door? What'd you find? Oh, look at that guy. I'm just a beaver. She wants to show you who she found. Just a little beaver. We're gonna name him Justin. Justin Beaver. Uh-huh. E.
Your wax seal. So we'll melt it down and then I'll pour it and I'll let you stamp it with this really neat stamper. You're gonna tap off on the side to get the excess out.
Nice and slow.
Gently, you can start writing, you can do a picture.
Put it back in here.
It's to be cute.
Yeah. Right, not here. Yeah. Now you're gonna take this top part. We're gonna bend it over, and then we're gonna take it and we're gonna tuck it into that other piece. No one's gonna see this secret message. So I'm gonna pour it.
I'm making sure it's the right way.
You watch and look at the wax. That's pretty.
So pretty. One,
Stamp it.
2,
So you're gonna steal
3.
it.
Now roll it. I'm gonna pour the wax. It works. There you go.
I like
And then you're gonna
this.
just hold. Keep holding. Now you're gonna pull it towards yourself and then up. There you are.
Okay, fancy.
This one.
Which one was that one? Oh yeah, that one was super fun.
Empire State of Delaware. And this line right here is just the same line that you drew. That's it.
That's exactly it.
Yeah. That's what you did. The reason that you would tuck your letter like that is otherwise people can look in the center
Oh.
and then they would be able to kind of read some of your letter, whereas the more it's tucked,
Tucked.
the harder it is to
Okay.
read. Go ahead and stamp. And then just flip back towards you. There you go. Here. That's okay.
Are you ready to do this thing?
I promise to protect and preserve our national parks and to share what I learned today with my friends and family. Okay, congratulations! This is the newest Junior Rangers at First State.
They're the best.
We've been having some awesome park rangers lately that we've been just, I mean, they're all great, but to take the time and just like make it personable like that, that's what we love traveling full time. And if you're watching this video, thank you so much for making that personable. That was awesome. Kids will always remember that.
Yes.
I can't wait for this guy to be a park ranger so I can visit you on your post.
You were
think
talking
so?
about
You're
it.
talking about it. You can be whatever you want to be. Doesn't matter, but I think that'd be cool. But whatever you want to do, we'll stand by it. Let me see that thing.
First
And you get
date.
to pick it by yourself. Well, I said there's water down this way, so let's go that way. Oh, honey, look.
What?
They're trying to find me.
They're gonna come pick you up.
They're trying to, nah, they ain't happening.
Yeah. Come pick them up.
No. Hey, you gotta start somewhere. Isn't that crazy how small these houses used to be? Look.
Used to be that. No, that's a ticket office.
Hey. Yeah, nice reading. That's exactly what it is. I guess I can't trick you anymore since you're good at reading.
We're at the Delaware River that goes to the Delaware Bay, which goes to the North Atlantic. So if we keep driving down all the way to the bottom of Delaware, we can get out of the bay and the river. But hey,
But all water connects.
yes, all roads lead to the ocean.
Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to